We build search engines, we build portals, we build advertising platforms, we build the gateway to the internet. We have opportunity here to reinvent what the future looks like.
This is an environment where there's no comfort level. It's a place where you're going to be challenged all the time.
We are changing the way we design. We are changing the way people access information.
We're going to continue knocking down the problems that people still have.
Solving these problems, the complex problems, the fundamental problems.
It's worth doing because we're going to make a difference.
It feels like we're at the infancy of something that has so much impact and societal potential.
That's exciting because the operating system of the future will be different. The enterprise software stack will be different. You have the opportunity to give rebirth to those products.
The way we think about computing, which is really about devices that you're holding in your hand and you're interacting with, through a few limited ways, and the way the world's knowledge is structured, this is going to be completely tipped over in the next coming decade.
There's an infinite set of possibilities, right? So it's not like you're running out of things to work on, right? It's never finished.
There is no real answer. You are making up the answer as you go along. You are the pointed edge of the industry that is creating these new areas.
That's what actually makes it fascinating, because there's always more stuff to learn, to understand. There are new opportunities to improve things.
We imagine a machine that not only can listen to us and recognize what we say, but it can understand what we want, that it'll go out and help us do the things we do in our everyday lives.
It's been topics of science fiction, it's been movies, people being able to talk to a computer and have it understand you. That's going to happen in the next few years.
If you look at the space I'm working on, it's the informational retrieval space and the more semantic informational retrieval space. The beauty about it is we have data everywhere. It's a digital world and data is everywhere. But mining the data in an intelligent way and trying to figure out more logical sense, I would say a conceptual sense over that data is critical.
We continue to innovate and improve, and then how do you make it better, faster, cheaper? How do you do it with fewer machines? How do you do it to the next level of reliability? And there's an infinite well of problems that can be solved there.
The art of making things that are powerful and that have leverage and that are going to be useful to people, that are beautifully designed. And unlike a physical artifact that you make, it'll be in the world in one place. You can make it and it'll be in the world everywhere, potentially used by millions, hundreds of millions of people.
To come be part of mastering how we design, how we do that system, and how we impact the access to information is huge.
Delivering experiences across a whole range of devices. Devices that perhaps haven't even yet been invented. They're going to be consistent, they're going to be compelling, and you're going to have an opportunity to make a difference on them.
For people who aspire to make a difference to the world, and the people who aspire to build great careers, we're here for you because we are on a great journey and we want you to be part of the journey. When it's all said and done, you get to tell your children or grandchildren to say, hey, I'm proud because I was part of that. That's the place we want to be.